Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to activate biometric authentication on the eToro mobile application. So in order to do that, first of all, open the eToro app on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're inside the home page of eToro, tap on the horizontal menu button at the top left corner of the screen. In the expanded pop-up menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on the Account button. Under the Accounts menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the button right next to Face ID and click on the Allow button in the pop-up to enable Face ID or Touch ID on your mobile device. Soon after you do that, the biometric authentication has been activated. On your eToro account. Once you set it up, you will be able to use your biometric data to log in and secure your eToro account as well. So that is how you activate biometric authentication on eToro mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.